Welcome back to myfreeenglishteacher.com. My name is Lawrence. Now, my favorite foreigner food here in Korea is chicken. You know, so many people in Korea love to eat chicken. We've got a special chicken called Yum Yum chicken. Now, that is my favorite. But be careful, there is a big problem with the word chicken, because the word chicken sounds like the word kitchen. And I've heard some people say to me, "Can we buy some kitchen?" And I was thinking, what? Do you want to buy some kitchen? And then I realized, oh, they actually want to buy some chicken. Or the other day somebody said, "Just wait for me, I will quickly go to the chicken." Again, I was wondering, what? Go to the chicken? And then I realized, the person actually meant he was going to the kitchen. So let's fix this. Listen and repeat. Chicken, chicken. Or the other one, kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. So make sure that you use the right sound. So chicken is the thing we can eat. Kitchen is the thing where we make food. In English, you must always make sure that these words like kitchen and chicken, that you use the right sound. Because if you use the wrong sound, it will sound very funny, like, "I really love to eat some kitchen." Now that is not nice. So, until next time, from me, Lawrence, goodbye.